Hi, in this video we will be talking about the importance of the power of saving. Watch this video to the end to learn how small lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Welcome back to the International CEO. Saving money is often perceived as a daunting task, reserved for the financially savvy or the ultra-disciplined. However, the truth is that saving doesn't have to be an arduous endeavor. By implementing small lifestyle changes, anyone can embark on the journey towards financial stability and security. This essay explores the power of saving and how seemingly insignificant alterations in our daily routines can lead to significant long-term benefits. Understanding the importance of saving. Saving is more than just setting aside a portion of your income for a rainy day. It's a fundamental aspect of financial health. Whether it's building an emergency fund, investing for the future, or achieving specific financial goals, saving provides a safety net and a pathway to greater financial freedom. Without savings, individuals may find themselves vulnerable to unexpected expenses or unable to pursue their long-term aspirations. The power of compound interest. One of the most potent forces in saving is compound interest. Compound interest allows your savings to grow exponentially over time, as both the initial principal and the accumulated interest earn additional interest. By starting early and consistently contributing to savings, individuals can harness the power of compound interest to multiply their wealth. Even small, regular contributions can lead to substantial gains over the years, highlighting the importance of establishing saving habits early in life. Small lifestyle changes for big savings. Budgeting and tracking expenses. The first step towards saving is gaining awareness of your financial habits. Creating a budget and tracking expenses can help identify areas where you can cut back and save. Many budgeting tools and apps are available to simplify this process, allowing individuals to allocate funds towards savings goals and monitor their progress. Limiting impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can quickly derail saving efforts, draining funds that could be put towards more meaningful endeavors. By practicing mindful spending and distinguishing between needs and wants, individuals can curb impulsive buying habits and redirect those funds towards savings. Waiting periods before making non-essential purchases can also help prevent impulse buying, giving individuals time to evaluate whether the purchase aligns with their priorities. Cooking at home. Eating out regularly can take a significant toll on your finances. By cooking meals at home and preparing packed lunches, individuals can save a substantial amount of money over time. Not only is home cooking generally healthier and more cost-effective, but it also provides an opportunity for creativity and experimentation in the kitchen. Planning meals in advance and shopping for groceries strategically can further optimize savings and minimize food waste. Embracing minimalism. The concept of minimalism emphasizes living with intention and decluttering both physical possessions and financial obligations. By adopting a minimalist mindset, individuals can reassess their priorities and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Selling or donating unused items not only generates extra income but also reduces the temptation to accumulate more clutter. Minimalism encourages intentional consumption and fosters a deeper appreciation for the things that truly add value to our lives. Negotiating bills and expenses. Many people overlook the possibility of negotiating bills and expenses, assuming that the listed prices are non-negotiable. However, in many cases, providers are willing to offer discounts or lower rates to retain customers. Whether it's negotiating utility bills, insurance premiums, or subscription services, taking the initiative to inquire about discounts can lead to significant savings over time. Loyalty doesn't always pay off, so it's essential to shop around and compare prices to ensure you're getting the best deals. Automating savings. Automating savings is a powerful way to make saving a habit without having to exert much effort. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account ensures that a portion of your income is consistently allocated towards savings goals. By treating savings as a fixed expense, individuals prioritize their financial future and remove the temptation to spend those funds elsewhere. Over time, automated savings contributions accumulate, bolstering financial security and providing a buffer against unexpected expenses. The psychological impact of saving. Beyond the tangible benefits of saving money, there's a profound psychological impact that accompanies financial security. Knowing that you have a safety net in place can alleviate stress and anxiety related to money management. Moreover, achieving savings goals provides a sense of accomplishment and empowerment, reinforcing positive financial habits and motivating continued progress. By prioritizing saving and adopting a proactive approach to financial planning, individuals can cultivate a sense of control over their financial future. In the fast-paced world we live in, where consumerism is rampant and instant gratification is prioritized, the concept of saving often takes a backseat. However, the ability to save money is not only a prudent financial decision but also a transformative lifestyle choice. In this continuation, we delve deeper into the strategies and mindsets that underpin effective saving, exploring additional ways in which small changes can lead to significant financial rewards. The psychology of saving. To understand the power of saving, it's essential to recognize the psychological factors at play. Behavioral economics sheds light on the psychological barriers to saving, such as present bias, loss aversion, and status quo bias. Present bias refers to our tendency to prioritize immediate rewards over long-term benefits, making it challenging to resist impulse spending in favor of saving for the future. Loss aversion, on the other hand, leads us to fear losses more than we value equivalent gains, causing us to cling to our current spending habits rather than embracing change. Finally, status quo bias reinforces our inclination to stick with familiar routines, even if they are not conducive to saving. However, understanding these biases also presents an opportunity for intervention. By reframing saving as a positive and rewarding behavior, individuals can overcome these psychological barriers and develop healthier financial habits. Behavioral interventions, such as setting specific savings goals, visualizing the future benefits of saving, and creating accountability mechanisms, can help counteract impulsive tendencies and foster a savings mindset. Expanding on small lifestyle changes. Prioritizing quality over quantity. In a culture that often equates consumption with success and happiness, it's easy to fall into the trap of chasing more instead of better. However, Prioritizing quality over quantity can lead to substantial savings in the long run. Whether it's investing in durable goods that last longer, opting for experiences over material possessions, or choosing sustainable alternatives that minimize long-term costs, adopting a mindset of conscious consumption can yield both financial and environmental benefits. By reevaluating our consumption patterns and focusing on what truly adds value to our lives, we can avoid the pitfalls of overconsumption and cultivate a more fulfilling and sustainable lifestyle. Moreover, by investing in high-quality products and experiences, we can derive greater satisfaction and longevity from our purchases, reducing the need for frequent replacements and saving money in the process. Harnessing the sharing economy. The emergence of the sharing economy has revolutionized the way we access goods and services, offering cost-effective alternatives to traditional ownership models. Platforms like Airbnb, Uber, and Rent the Runway allow individuals to access assets on a temporary or shared basis, reducing the need for ownership and lowering overall expenses. By leveraging the sharing economy, individuals can save money on transportation, accommodation, clothing, and other essentials, while also promoting resource efficiency and reducing waste. Whether it's carpooling with neighbors, renting out unused space in your home, or borrowing tools from a local lending library, the sharing economy encourages cooperation and reciprocity, enriching both our wallets and our social networks. Investing in self-sufficiency. From growing your own food to generating renewable energy to DIY home repairs, embracing self-sufficiency can lead to significant savings over time. By acquiring new skills and knowledge, individuals can reduce expenses associated with food, energy, housing, and other necessities, while also cultivating a deeper connection to the natural world and fostering resilience in the face of economic uncertainty. Moreover, self-sufficiency promotes resourcefulness and creativity, empowering individuals to find innovative solutions to everyday challenges. Whether it's preserving seasonal produce, repurposing household items, or bartering goods and services with neighbors, self-sufficient living encourages a mindset of abundance and ingenuity. By investing in self-sufficiency, individuals can not only save money but also gain a sense of independence and empowerment in their lives. Embracing sustainable living. By adopting sustainable practices in daily life, individuals can not only reduce their environmental footprint but also save money in the process. Whether it's reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, or choosing eco-friendly products, sustainable living offers a dual benefit of environmental stewardship and financial savings. Simple actions like turning off lights when not in use, using energy-efficient appliances, and opting for reusable alternatives can lead to significant reductions in utility bills over time. Likewise, embracing a zero-waste lifestyle by composting organic waste, repurposing materials, and avoiding single-use plastics can lower household expenses while also contributing to a healthier planet. By aligning our values with our purchasing decisions, we can create a more sustainable and prosperous future for ourselves and future generations. Building upon the strategies and mindsets explored earlier, this continuation further emphasizes the transformative potential of saving through additional small lifestyle changes. By integrating these practices into our daily lives, we not only cultivate a stronger foundation for financial well-being but also contribute to a more sustainable and fulfilling existence. Cultivating mindfulness in spending. Mindful spending involves developing awareness and intentionality in our purchasing decisions. Practicing mindfulness in spending also entails questioning the motives behind our purchases, whether they stem from genuine needs, societal pressures, or emotional triggers. By fostering a mindful approach to consumption, individuals can save money by aligning their spending with their values and goals, while also reducing clutter and fostering gratitude for what they already have. Embracing DIY and repurposing. Do-it-yourself projects and repurposing offer opportunities to save money while unleashing creativity and resourcefulness. From upcycling old furniture to crafting homemade gifts to repairing household items, embracing DIY culture can lead to significant savings on material costs and labor expenses. Additionally, DIY projects provide a sense of accomplishment and pride in one's abilities, fostering a deeper connection to the things we create and the resources we use. By adopting a mindset of DIY and repurposing, individuals can reduce reliance on expensive consumer goods and cultivate a more sustainable and self-sufficient lifestyle. Practicing delayed gratification. Delayed gratification involves postponing immediate rewards in favor of larger, long-term benefits. By resisting the impulse to indulge in instant gratification and instead prioritizing delayed rewards, individuals can save money and achieve greater financial success. Whether it's waiting for sales or promotions before making a purchase, saving up for big-ticket items rather than resorting to credit, or investing in education and skill development for future opportunities, practicing delayed gratification requires discipline and patience. However, the rewards, both financial and personal, are well worth the effort, as delayed gratification cultivates resilience, self-control, and a stronger sense of purpose in pursuing our goals. Building community and collaboration. Community and collaboration offer invaluable resources for saving money and enriching our lives. By pooling resources, sharing skills, and supporting one another, individuals can reduce expenses, access new opportunities, and foster deeper connections within their communities. Collaboration also extends beyond immediate communities to include online networks and sharing platforms, where individuals can exchange goods, services, and knowledge with like-minded individuals around the world. Saving money isn't just about cutting costs or scrimping and sacrificing. It's about making intentional choices that align with our values and aspirations. By integrating small lifestyle changes such as cultivating mindfulness in spending, embracing DIY and repurposing, practicing delayed gratification, and building community and collaboration, individuals can harness the transformative power of saving to create a more fulfilling and sustainable future. Each small change we make brings us closer to realizing our financial goals and living a life of abundance, purpose, and joy. The journey towards financial freedom is not a solitary endeavor but a collective pursuit, one that encompasses both personal growth and shared prosperity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.